What up? What up? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Team Bull? Another day, another dollar. Let's crush it. Another day, another dollar. What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Good morning. About to get live on the TikTok. Come on. There we go. All right. Cool. Go live. Trading 9Q futures. Cool. We're good on here. Oops. All right, bet. We are live. So as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Future trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you're not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. It's currently 7:12 a.m., May 14th, 2026 in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, I am not a financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Cool. Let's full port. Let's full port, make this bread. Let's see, share screen with Team Bull, perfect. See if we can catch another winner. Let's see, live trading. All right. We are good to go. Let's see who's in the Zoom. Good morning, LBJ, Lynn, everybody else who hasn't said good morning yet. Let's crush it. I like Tesla today. I like Apple. I like NQ for a demand bounce. ES doesn't have any demand until all the way down to 74.43, so pretty far away. NVIDIA looks strong. Could even look for a potential bounce at the 1 hour 21 EMA on ES. But there's definitely some setups today for sure. For sure. Good morning. Who do we got in the YouTube? We got Alexander, Woody Wood, David, Bob Beck, Bone, Alexandra, Sunglot, I think it's how you say it, Sunglot. Trucking 420, David, Wes, Brian, and African or Africlin. Is that how you say that? Yeah, zoom in a little bit. M6W, I'll just call you that. Africlin and Rick. KC Jason. What up, what up, what up? All right. Let's crush it. And as always, before the market opens, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. TPT is currently 50% off, no activation fee. That's going to end on Sunday. So again, if you guys need the accounts, this is the first time TPT ever did 50% off. Yeah, with no activation fee. Again, use code Brandon. Apex is 90% off again, and you can trade gold. So again, code Brandon over there. And then Lucid's 40% off, no activation fee. Tradeify, I think, is like 35% off. So those are the firms that I use and the firms that I trust. I don't trade Asia. Too slow. Too much news also in Asia. What's up, Thor, David? Everybody else that said good morning. Chris, Bubs. Let's do this shit. I'm looking for potential longs. For sure. We've been crushing it recently, so let's hopefully keep up the hot streak. Am I in? No, I literally went live 4 minutes ago. Market's not open yet. So no. It's a good day to have a good day. Good day to have a good day. There we go. Also, if you're watching in the tube, make sure to hit that like button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on the TikTok, make sure to follow. Double tap the screen. It helps a lot with the algo. All that good stuff. Been giving you guys winners. All you guys got to do is follow, subscribe to the tube, and join every single morning. That's it. That's all you got to do. What are you guys watching today on the tube and the TikTok? Appreciate the follow. What up, Justin? UK Chris, what up? Hopefully you guys have made money with me this week. Been very clear on the entries. And whoever asked if we ended up taking that second trade yesterday, yes, we did, actually. So yesterday went 2 for 2. 2 for 2. Appreciate the follow, grandma emoji. I think that's what that is. What emoji is that? I have no idea what that emoji is. What's up, Dunn? Dunn, Carolina. Beautiful in Orlando. Fire. Not a big fan of shorts. There's no reason to say that the market's going to go down. So really, I would just wait for price to pull back, potentially into demand. Maybe we pump off the open. You know, some kind of just intraday uptrend entry is pretty much all I'm going to look for. That's it. Yeah, we have our demand zones down here. So if price trades down into it, then I'll look for a bounce. Remember, we do not look for shorts if there's no reason to really believe that the market's going to go down, right? We didn't reject off of a key level. There are no key levels above. There's nothing saying that the market's going down. We've been trending up for 2 weeks in a row, right? So the only thing I really care about is pulling back to a level for longs. Now, if this were to happen, there's only one potential short entry. That's the break and retest of this pre-market low. If we get that, we can look to trade this down into our demand, but then ideally from there, we are looking for a bounce. So that is the only possible spot that we could see a potential short entry, but anything above it, do not care. Yeah, if you head on over to my tube channel, BrandonTrades, I got 1,800 videos. Teach you on how to trade. 1,800 videos. Sup, buddy boy? Mr. Gino. missed you. I called you back. You didn't even answer. Or no. I called you. You texted me. I called you to talk about what you texted me about. But you didn't answer. It's fucked up. You did not answer me. So now you don't get what you want. Nope. You know what you texted me about. Alrighty. What up? Good morning, Tube. We already got 150 of you in the Tube. 34 likes, though. So, if you guys are watching on the Tube, find that thumbs up and click it. We probably have a demand on YM. Let's see. YM's really strong, too. It's finally getting above 50K. Failed to hold above it for the longest. But let's see. Get above pre-market highs on YM. Look for that continuation. Let's see. 2 hour. Yeah. There's a 4-hour demand, but it's all the way down at like 49,930. I'd say your best bet with the Dow is literally crack above this this previous high. Look for the continuation. I'm actually watching that with you. I am watching ES, NQ, the Dow, Tesla, and Apple. That's what I got on watch today. I still personally think that NQ will also go to 30K. Would not be surprised. Let's see if the Dow's pumping. That means Russell's probably pumping. Surprisingly, no. But yeah, that's what I got on watch today. Yeah, we got 5 minutes until open. If you guys need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure you guys use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, use code Brandon. Apex is currently 90% off. Obviously, you have to pay activation fee if you pass. And then Take Profit Trader is 50% off, no activation fee with code Brandon. All right. Delete. You're watching QQQ, fire. Got all these messages I have to delete out of the Discord. The video looks good too. Yeah. I agree. Video looks good. I like Apple because it's finally getting above 300. So if we can get above 301.35, I think it's definitely got continuation. Faux show. Got almost 200 of you in the tube today. Almost 200 so far. Yesterday, we peaked at 305, which is really close to the most amount of people I ever had in my tube. So if you're watching on TikTok right now, come tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. 1,800 videos over there, 133,000 subs. Again, BrandonTrades on the tube if you want to come tap in. Full screen view, you can see my order flow. My face is still on there, all that good stuff. BrandonTrades. All right. What's everybody watching today? Appreciate the follow. Appreciate the follow. Let's get it. Trade safe, trade smart, A+ setups only. Let the market come to you. Do not force anything. Apple's trading at that 300, so if we can close above it, get above pre-market high at 301.30, I like that. Tesla's been strong, get above 453.5. Dow is finally getting above 50,000, so maybe continuation there, and then ES and NQ. Let's see, a 45-minute supply. Potentially. I mean, it's not the biggest supply, but maybe. Just gotta see how price reacts. I'd say it's like a lower probability zone for sure. Got you. Just crush it, everybody. 5 seconds. I think. No, 30 seconds. Sub X. Let's get it. Again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. Everybody watching in the TikTok, everybody on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. We got over 200 of you in here and only 74 likes in the tube. So again, make sure to hit that thumbs up. It would be greatly appreciated. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. I want to try to crack the highest amount of viewers that we've ever had in a day, which is, I think, like 310, 320, something like that. So I think we can get there for sure. I have faith in you guys. Especially because we've been calling out some bangers. All winning trades for over the last 2 weeks. Not a single loser. Knock on wood. Now watch, I'll have a loser today. Knock on wood. But see what the market offers. Again, I'm watching ES above pre-market high, which is 7,500, which is a pretty big psych level. If the market's weak, we get below pre-market lows on NQ. We can look for that break and retest to potentially short to take it back down into demand. But that is the only short entry that I like today. Let the market settle. Do we have news today, GD? I don't care about that. So pretty much no news today. All we have is business inventories. Apple's rejecting off that 300, which is not ideal. See what the market gives us. As of now, I am liking that 7,500 break for ES. Nvidia is having a nice move. It's breaking that bull flag. Probably switch Tesla for Nvidia because Tesla's falling apart and it's $10 away from the breakout. Appreciate the follow, Nick. If you want to watch the Dow too, I mean, 50,000 doesn't look bad. Psychological level. Nice pump on NQ though to start the session. Dow's getting close to that 50K. See if it actually gets down and touches it. 80 points away. Video sold off a lot of the move. Yeah, I kind of want to see what happens with this Dow at 50K. Team Bull, I'm watching Dow at 50,000. See if we potentially bounce it. We're about to hit it right here. So far, no bounce. 50K on Dow. YM or MYM is 50 cents a point. YM is $5 a point. See how this 5-minute candle closes. I think there's probably going to be too much risk at the close of this. If we would have just ripped it off of 50K, it would have been fine, but yep, there's going to be too much risk at the close of this 5-minute. Well, if you took 50K, there you go. 70 points off of it, 80 points off of it. Just use my code FIRE. Still using Bookmap. Yes. Discord is working. I was just talking on it. I'm just here to learn. I have to learn to slow down, so I'm only taking 1 trade per day. FIRE. Just use my code FIRE. I don't know if I already said that. Cool. NQ with a very nice pump. See if this ES can crack 7,500. Break and retest of it. If you took that Dow level, it's 100 points now. Should have just ripped the 50K. Dow moves crazy though, low key. It's $5 a point if you trade regular YM, and you can do 100 points like it's nothing. Yep, that Dow was definitely play of the morning for sure. It's all right though. There's gonna be more setups. Let's see, Apple, don't care about. Let's see what other individuals are doing. Tesla pulled back, Google pulled back. Meta doesn't look too bad. I do like this Nvidia though. If we get a 5-minute candle bullish close and then a pullback to like 231, I like it. Trying to get above that 7,500 right now on ES. Lots of orders up here. I'll take something in the first 30 minutes if it meets my criteria for sure. All right, Team Bull, let's watch the video as well. ES is trying to trade through the 7,500, very big psychological resistance. Again, I'd be interested if we actually start to close above it, get a decent push, and then pull back and retest of it for longs. Let's see, Nvidia's just nuking right now. I don't know if we're gonna get that Nvidia pullback. It's just pushing right now. And again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching in the tube, make sure to subscribe. Everyone on TikTok, follow. If you guys ever need to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you guys can use discount code Brandon. Apex is currently 90% off. TPT is 50% off with no activation fee. Lucid, 40% off. And then Tradeify is like 35% off. Again, use code Brandon. Struggling to hold above the 7,500. NQ's really pushing though. I think we'll actually end up getting a 30-minute demand at the close of this 30-minute candle at 10. See if we can close above the 7,500. Weren't able to do it on the last candle. However, orders are looking very bullish. If you're looking at the order flow, they are pushing their orders higher, as we can see right here, which is bullish and makes me believe we will crack the 7,500, which we're trying to do right now. So we push up, buy orders come higher, lots of liquidity right here. So it makes me believe that they do want to push it through 7,500. So we'll see. See if we actually close above it. If we don't, let's see, we actually have a fib that we could potentially watch. Take us down into the 50 and 61.8. I don't use spot gamma. It's not part of my strategy. I don't use gamma at all. Buy orders are still pushed higher. NQ's nuking into this pre-market high. Back at 50K on the Dow. See if it holds again. Good stuff, the random hero. Got 250 of you in the tube today. Let's go. Again, everybody watching on TikTok, make sure to come tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. 1,800 videos, 133,000 subs. Make sure you guys come tap in. Super close to that pre-market high on NQ. Might as well just go test it at this point. I don't see why it wouldn't. Contracts all depend on risk and probability of the trade. All depends. Yep, that's what I'm watching, LBJ. Video's getting to a level right now. User. Watch this, like 231.2. I guess we kind of have to go with the 32.5s today. I mean, at least there's liquidity in them. I watched the 232.5s. See what happens at 231 to 231.2 on this video. Starting to get above that 7,500 on the CS. See if we close above it. Hardly, but it did. Want a little more on this video. Again, there's zero reason to short today. Zero reason. Market is shining up. If you want to lose money, yes, you can short. But market's been in a very strong uptrend. Zero reason to short. Only uptrend entries. All right, this area we want to watch on this video. See if it can hold. Still nothing on this video. I don't think I'm going to take this in video at all. Not really liking it. I do like NQ a lot, though, if it pulls back to like 566. ES isn't looking too bad either. This could be a potential spot that we bounce on NQ. Bouncing off that 50% fib on ES as well. Would like to see if we get down here, though, if you guys are watching my screen. Again, patiently waiting, YouTube and TikTok. I'm only quiet right now because I'm really watching price action. I'm just waiting. We do have some potential setups, so seeing if the market gives me what I want. It's definitely possible that we could bounce early off this ADMA, which is the bottom of this candle right here. But higher probability is previous day high with 50% retracement. The video's not looking too bad as well. Tesla dead in the water, don't care about it. All right, here's this 50% retracement, previous day high on NQ. Let's see if we can hold. Ideally, pop back up and reclaim that ADMA as well. Yeah, it's a no-go for me. We are technically holding this 618, but I don't see anything bullish about the price action. No trades. No trades. Now watch, it probably is going to bounce off of this. I would not be surprised. But no confirmation. No confirmation for trades. Just got to stay patient. Stay patient and wait. It's order flow. It's bookmap. All right, so didn't want to validate the bounce yet. It wants to bounce anyway. See if we close back up above everything and then pull back for a retest. And again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to come tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm live right now as well. We got 275 people over there. I want to try to hit 320. Hold on. $320 is the most amount of people I ever had in one of my tube streams. So make sure you guys come tap in. BrandonTrades, 133,000 subs, 1,800 videos. So again, if you guys want to tap in, BrandonTrades on the tube. Damn, dude, we're really bouncing. Yeah, the main chart is sink or swim. Still holding 50K on Dow, though. We had 1,000 on the longs. Good stuff. All right. Will the market give us a setup today? That is the question. That is actually pushing. It's above yesterday's high. See how that 5-minute candle closes on Meta. Maybe a pullback, retest for longs. Key level, price action, volume confirmation. That's how we validate trades or don't take trades. All right, so I want to keep an eye on this NVIDIA, everybody, but Meta's above yesterday's high. So if we can close bullish on this 5-minute, maybe a pullback into like 620, I'd consider Meta. It's currently looking like it's going to do that. Let's make some moolah. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure you guys use discount code Brandon in all caps. Apex currently 90% off. Obviously, you have to pay an activation fee. TPT is 50% off, no activation fee. And then Lucid 40% off, no activation fee. And then Tradeify 35% off. All right, let's watch Meta and NVIDIA for pullbacks. And then I'd still really like to see ES above 7,500. Let's pull back on NVIDIA right here. Want a little more. What are you watching, GD? I agree. Starting to get this pullback on Meta. Again, let's watch closer to this 620. Watch the 625 calls. Are a little overextended from those moving averages and VWAP. Would like to see them move up for meta. Hopefully it doesn't bounce. Or at least, like, hopefully it sits here and consolidates for a little bit. Or not. The video still looks good, so we can keep an eye on that if we don't get meta. Let's see. Staying patient, everybody. Again, I'm quieter today just because I'm really focused. I'm seeing a bunch of setups, but it's just not validating yet. A damn meta got super close to what I was watching, and then it just spikes super quick. It's, I think, going to go back to high day. I don't think we're going to get this meta. Spikes super quick off that level. Oh, it's going to suck if it goes back. I really like that meta setup too. It literally just spikes so quick. We got ES trying to get back up above 7,500. Do want to keep an eye on this. Nvidia is still Nvidia and NQ. They both look good. Same with ES. They all look like they went upside. Watch this 5-minute candle close on Nvidia. If it can close bullish, maybe a pullback into the moving averages. I still like the longs, or the calls for Nvidia, I should say. Nvidia. Get the 232.5s pulled up. Still flirting with that 7,500. Yep, still watching this video. See if we get this pullback right here in the 231.3. Just trying to break above like this 5-minute trend line right now, so hopefully it doesn't go. All right, TikTok. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the TikTok here. I'm gonna just stay on my YouTube. Again, the same thing where TikTok is shadow banning me and no new people are joining. So if you guys want to tap into my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades, I'll be over there. And yeah, I'll talk to everybody there. Peace. TikTok always be doing some stupid shit. That's why YouTube is superior. YouTube is superior. Damn Nvidia, dude. I guess for ES, we could watch the 30-minute orb. This Nvidia's pushing without us, without the retest. See if we close above this 7504 level. But yeah, not interested in that video anymore. It's just going. Very unfortunate with that NVIDIA. Not opposed to Meta, so Meta still looks good. I'd like to see a little more strength push above this 30-minute orb and then a pullback on like the next 5-minute candle or the following. It's currently what we're getting. Again, ideally one more bullish candle and then the pullback. Still eyeing up Meta. We'll go ahead and try these Meta calls, everybody. Give some Meta calls a go. We'll stop below this 620 level. Yeah. Looks good. We keep holding that previous high today. We're going to target current high today for our first price target. So up at 623. See if we can get this push up. Bro, that video is nuking. Come on, Meta, give us high day. Yep. I'm going to trim going into 0.7, 622.7, everybody. Come on. There we go. Nice. All right, I'm going to go ahead and trim right here on this Meta, everybody. Right here. Yep. There's that high day. Let's see if we can crack high day. Let's keep our stop loss at break even on the remainder. Good chance that we do reject off this high day. So get a trim, a little more than half of my position off. Stop at break even. If we crack the 623, we can look for more continuation higher. We also have ES coming back to retest this 30-minute orb. See if we get above this 623. On what? No, it was previous high day, pullback, retest of the 8 EMA, and then held. Psychological level 620. If you want to take more off at this high day, you can. I want to see if we can crack this motherfucker. We do have the overall market pulling back right here. So again, I want to keep that stop at break even. If we get this push through high day at 623 with momentum, we should see these contracts jump. So I'll trim again if we get that momentum push through. Worst case scenario, you know, we get a trim. It's worst case scenario. Our bid is not above 623 yet on this meta. Got to clear it on the bid if we want more upside. Again, keep this stop at break even. We cannot crack this high day. We need the bid above. I feel like what it's probably going to do is it's going to stop us break even because these spreads keep widening by like $20, $25. It'll stop us out and then push, but I'm not going to stick in the position and find out if it's even going to go back up. Yeah, I'm all out. I'll allow the rest, everybody. Could not clear that 623. The ask got above it, but not the bid. So I'm all out. All out of the rest. Trimmed a little more than half of my position, and now all out. Decent trade, base hit, nothing super crazy, but yeah, we'll take it. Make some lunch money. I like these. If you take it, I'll take it. Back up, or we gotta hold above the 7,500 on ES, so which we are right now. We reclaim this 30-minute orb. I think I'm gonna try it. Yeah, I'm gonna give these MES longs a go right here, everybody. Stop below 7,500. We'll risk like 3 points. Shit. I want to scale out. I want to look for a larger move. What I like about this, we came down, we retested that pre-market high, 7,500 psychological support, very bullish 5-minute candle, reclaim that 30-minute orb high as well. So overall, we have a lot of confluence right here. First price target is going to be high day at 75.08. Then after that, we can look to slide or stop at break even. It definitely looks good. We have our CVD climbing as well, so. Again, we're only risking about like 3 points on this trade, everybody. What? Would like to see if we reclaim the 30-minute orb. I'd even be willing to add if it did. T animal, how is that even humanly possible? Trying to pop back up and reclaim this right now. CVD is still climbing too, which I like. Yep, the CS looks really good. See if it wants to work though. It is a little slow right now. Why does this NQ look better than ES? Go ahead and add a little more to my position right here with this reclaim of this 30-minute orb. Pump it up, baby. Give us high day. You gotta pump it up. I want higher day on this fucking ES. Give me high day. Come on. High day. Come on. I'm in the slow fucking trade, apparently. Goddamn. Yeah, come on. One more point. If you guys want to take some off going into this high day or like close to high day, you can, depending on your average, if it makes sense as far as one-to-one risk to reward. I want high day at 75.08. There we go. Come on. A little more. A little more. A little more. Come on. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Come on. Come on. You're being a bitch. Yeah, why did NQ move like way, way more? Come on. Come on. Yeah, trim, baby. Trim's filled. There we go. All right, let's keep our stop at break even. See if we can get this continuation higher. That was a perfect 30-minute orb retest. Beautiful. We're up about 6.7 points right here. I know. Had a winner on Meta. Had a winner on MES. You had a winner on NQ. It's 3 winning trades today. That's 3 times this week, too. 3 winning trades. All called out in the live. And there you go, T-Animal. You're now 1 for 10. I got you. Like I said, I was willing to add to the position, and we popped back down below, added to it. You guys make money on that in the tube? You guys make money? Give me a W in the chat if you made money in the tube. Give me a W in the chat. Come on. Give me a dub. Give me a W in the chat. We gotta get above this 75.10. Got some sellers here, but get above 75.10. I think 75.15 is pretty realistic. Buy orders are coming up now that we cleared it. And like I said the whole time, that CVD was climbing, which was hinting that, you know, even though we were consolidating, that buyers were accumulating off of these levels. Let's go. 8-point trade on ES. Like 500 points on NQ. Nice. I'm gonna go ahead and take another trim up here, everybody. Take another trim up here. It's about a 10-point trade, almost. Half a point off at 10 points. Now, I'm gonna just keep my stop at break even. On the remainder, you can put it in profits if you want. And I'm gonna let it run. Good shit. You guys know the drill, though. If you made money trading with me and GD today, hashtag post your gains. At me and GD in the post your gains, and we'll pick some winners for some accounts. I got TPTs today to give away. Hashtag post your gains and at me and GD. I don't think that trade could have been any more straightforward. It was a beautiful trade. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I better see more in hashtag poster gains. I think me and GD were both very, very clear. I know, for real. They're still pushing their buy orders higher, everybody, so I still think this has more upside. CVD is still climbing. Very thick area of buyers. Again, I'm just keeping my stop at break even. It's up to you where you want to put it, though. Manage your own position. Will I stay with you for a fourth win? Respectfully, no. We already called out 3 trades, 3 winning trades. GD is GD _ investments. Again, if you guys are looking for funded accounts, obviously the goal of these live streams is to help you guys pass your accounts and help you guys get payouts. So if you guys want to get funded, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid. You can use discount code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. So again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradeify. Make sure to use discount code Brandon. Apex is currently 90% off. 90% off, and then you have to pay activation fee if you pass. Take Profit Trader 50% off, no activation fee. This is the first time they've ever ran 50% off. It ends on Sunday. All right. And then Lucid 40% off, no activation fee. And then Tradeify is like 35% off. So, yeah. I'm actually moved my stop loss up, everybody. Put it like, I'm gonna put my stop 4 points in profit, everybody. Yeah, videos, that fucking video. What are you putting on your chart? This is a 14-point trade on ES, everybody. 14 points. Put my stop 5 points in profit, everybody. If we get up to 75.20, 75.19, I'll just be on one runner. Make sure you guys keep posting. Hashtag post your gains. See if we can get this 20. Bro, that trade was beautiful. That was like picture perfect. I even got an ad to it too. Give us 75.20. Again, completely up to you what you want to do from here, everybody. If you want to fully exit, I wouldn't blame you. If you want to move your stop loss up more, I don't blame you. If you want to keep it at break even, completely up to you. But mine is 5 points in profit for my stop. Got you guys. If you guys are watching on YouTube and you want to post your gains up on Instagram and at me, it'd be greatly appreciated. My Instagram's BrandonTrades. So if you want to go ahead and post them up and at me on your story, I'll repost them today. Yep, we're getting this 75.20, baby. Fucking amazing. Okay. I want to see if we crack this 75.20. I might just fully exit. $16.5 point trade. We'll just say 17 points. Sounds cooler. All right. I'm going to go ahead and exit here, everybody. Exit up here. 17-point trade, pretty much. I need to stretch. Hold on. Close this. Oh, fuck. After that trade, need a nice little stretch. Oh. Oh, fuck. That was beautiful, though. It could continue to push. 100%. It has that potential that it could continue to push. Phenomenal. Well, does anybody have questions about that trade? Or is it pretty straightforward why we took it? Let me get these TPT accounts, and then I'm going to pick a couple winners. You guys have till 9 o'clock or 11 o'clock EST, so in 8 minutes to post your gains and at me and GD. 7 more minutes. What do I think about the 30-minute orb on NQ? I mean, we kind of already hit it and tested it and pushed up. That was beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look pretty straightforward. 12-point gain. If stop it, still in. Thanks, big dog. 1,200 on that move. Post in the YouTube how much you guys made. How much you guys make on that trade? How much y'all make? I want a screenshot for the IG. Or, again, if you want to go on Instagram, post on your story. But at BrandonTrades, I will repost it. Let's see, 520, 849, 130, 1,200, 323, 200. What else? You know, from your entry, you caught like 100 points on NQ. Let's see, final trade. Brandon plus 17 points. Yes. GD 100 NQ. We're just killing it, dog. What? We have what? I need to get like speakers. My left monitor is just super quiet, and I don't know why you're on that. Also, if you're watching on the YouTube and you're looking to learn directly from me, I just launched my market mastery program last week. So if you want to learn from me for the rest of your life, have access to my Zoom every single day where there is no delay, because here on YouTube, yes, there is a delay. But you get live trading access to me every single day. Again, no delay is on there. 3 classes a week. So class on Sunday, Wednesday, as well as Friday. You have an accountability partner. I'm trying to think what else. Obviously, you know, you get access to all my classes that I teach, all my previous classes, all my future classes. I'll give you 100K in funding, so an Apex account as well as a Vanquish account that you can trade. I'm trying to think what else. Access to both my ebooks, you know, etc. Click that link right there that's in the chat. So again, that's my market mastery program. That is where I mentor my students. And one of my students that just joined me, what was it, last week? Because last week is actually when I launched this. They've already made, it was like $2,500, $3,000, something like that. So there's that link right there. There's like a 6-minute video. So just watch that 6-minute video. If it interests you, obviously, you know, put in an application. And if you're somebody that I can see myself working with, then I'll reach out to you. Or somebody from my team will reach out to you and try to make this work. So again, make sure to click that link right there. Watch that 6-minute video if it interests you and you do want to learn from me, because again, you guys see it every single day. I hop on here, I call out my trades start to finish. I say exactly where I'm entering, exactly where I'm trimming, what I'm doing with my stop loss. You guys are seeing the setups happen in real time, and that's exactly what I teach my students. So again, if you want to check it out, that is the link right there. I sent it like 10 times. You can't miss it. Absolutely cannot miss it. All right, final chance to post and hashtag post your gains. I'm picking 2 people. You got 45 seconds. If I don't see anybody typing in 45 seconds, then I'm going to pick. $15 seconds. All right, 2 people are typing. Give this last person the chance to type. Saw somebody else typing. I think they're good though. All right. 2 TPT 50K accounts. I'm going to close my eyes and scroll up and down. Tell me when to stop, GD. Starts with an A. A dot dot dot. You traded with Tradeify and you had $1,000 on each one. Let's see. Hi. It's a picture of you and a female at the beach and you got sunglasses on and hers are green. So check your DMs. I'll give you 5 minutes. All right. Ready again, GD? All right. I'm scrolling. My eyes are closed. Just tell me when to stop. FET. Whoops. PHET. All right. The first guy messaged back. Now we got FET. You got a weird ass smiley face as your picture. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer. We're picking somebody else. Mr. FET, check your message request. There we go. FET answered. Perfect. Damn, dude, this shit's still going. I'd say 17 points is a pretty damn good trade on ES. So I'll take it. Go read the main chat. The main chat, the live trading one. Janon dropped codes in the chat. Now I was fucking with everyone saying I took them. Bro, that trade was so fire. I don't see you calling out too many trades. Well, I like to use this as an example, all right? Say you go into, let's use a strip club, all right? You go into a strip club, right? You have $500 to spend at the strip club. You're just going to give $500 to the ugly chicks that you don't want to dance from? Or are you going to be selective and be like, I want that one to give me a dance, right? It's the same thing in trading, okay? You have to be very selective. At most, when you go into that strip club, there's probably one, maybe two girls that you're like, I'm going to give this $500 to because they're bad. I want to dance from them. Same thing in the market. Market gives us one, maybe two really good setups a day, right? So I took a trade on Meta today, which met my criteria, and I took a trade on ES today that met my criteria. Do I have to take another trade, especially after that ES when we just call it 17 points? Fuck no, right? There's no reason to. I take one, maybe two trades a day. There's no reason to keep trading after that, especially after the trades that we've caught. You know, there's no one and done, literally one and done. It's facts, right? The more that you sit there and the more that you trade, you start trading with emotions. You start forcing setups that aren't really there because, again, at most, the market really gives you one, maybe two high quality setups a day. And you either take advantage of them or you don't. You're going to have more emotions come into play the more that you trade. You're going to be risking more money the more you're going to be risking more money the more trades that you take. It's just stupid. Why are you going to take 5, 6, 7+ trades a day? For the last 3 weeks, we have not had a single loser. Every single trade that we have taken has been a winner. And why? Because I only take the highest quality setups. We had that week like a month ago where we went 2 for 8, right? But it's the same setups that we traded this week, right? You're going to have times where your setups just don't work. They're not valid, or they stop you out, right? But that's part of trading. You simply just keep taking high quality setups. So your comment about not seeing me call out too many trades, that's what real profitable traders do. If you want somebody that trades 20 times a day, this is not the stream for you. And those people that trade 20 times a day, I can guarantee you are not profitable. Now, if you like it to be slower and you have that same mindset of taking only 1, 2 high quality setups a day, which leads to way less stress, you're going to be a lot more accurate with your strategy. You're going to keep a lot more of your money and you're going to make a lot more money. Then this is a stream to be in, right? Are you leaving me? Are you leaving me? Wait, should I go to the gym or should I go to jujitsu? Both. But I went on Monday to jujitsu and I wasn't happy with how I performed. So I think I'm leaning a little more towards that. Felt like a fat piece of shit on Monday. Is that the answer? All right, jujitsu it is. Thanks, buddy. Nah, I definitely can't do both. After like an hour and a half, 2 hours of jujitsu, especially like with the big ass dudes that are up in there, I'm sore. I think like 230 was our peak. 220, 230, something like that. All right, well, Fett said I could choose somebody else because he doesn't use TPT. So close our eyes and pick. Hopefully you're still in the stream and you answer your DMs. Let's see. Papa Chuck. You better use TPT, buddy. Oh, can't DM you, Papa Chuck. And I can't friend request you. All right, new winner. Adios, G. SH Money. Boom. All right, send TPT email. Bet. Well, I'm gonna hop off too. But everybody have an amazing day. Hopefully you guys made some money. Tomorrow's Friday, so let's full port everything that we made this week and zero or hero. Everybody have an amazing day. And if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. And I will talk to everybody tomorrow. Peace. All right, everybody in YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure I only give away the accounts in Team Bull, so you got to be in Team Bull to win accounts. And then I also give away accounts in my mentorship. So yeah, subscribe, join. We'll be live again tomorrow, 20 minutes before market open. Everybody have an amazing day. And again, if you use Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, or Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. And let's do it again tomorrow, fam. Have a blessed day.